shine that red light's on. We're sitting up here at, what's your name?
Signature up here at Signature Studios.
Signature Studios.
Fix the cut up. Dead go masterpiece.
That's right. Oh, we all make a million.
So what's your thought?
My thought.
I'm ready.
I thought Michael got too many drums.
Chambers?
Shook it,
Ready to go,
sang
man. Ready to do it.
Caught like ready to rock.
Jim Wallace over here.
Yeah, man. Yeah. We're fixed to get in there and cut a gold record.
We're looking for a diamond record.
A diamond record.
I'll take a bronze.
We don't care what precious stone or precious metal it is.
Aluminum. Aluminum. That's all I need.
Alrighty. Mr. Murphy, you ready to tap them drums a little bit?
Ready, man. Ready to do it.
Told me a story about a train rolling down the line. I never thought much of his old fairy tale until I seen it painted up on the sign. I guess what he said was true about that old train. In 1913 they set her on the rails. She was called Iron Mountain Train. Rolled down the sweet southern line, smoking like a cannon fire in the morning time. I wish she rolled down the southern lines again. Iron Mountain Train. The son I lived through the flood of 27. I've seen the hard times and I lived through the depression, where the rich man became the poor man and the country was on its knees. Well, I rode on a battle shell across the 7 seas, but I never seen nothing like that steam machine. She was called Iron Mountain Train. Rolled down them sweet southern line, smoking like a cannon fire in the morning time. I wish she rolled down southern line again. I'll please Iron Mountain Train. Roll down the sweet southern line, smoking like a cannon fire in the morning time. I wish she rolled down. Oh, I wish she rolled down. I wish she rolled down, yeah. Oh, I wish she rolled down. Iron Mountain Train.
Y'all take care. All right. Hey, y'all be careful.
All right. Remember, don't eat yellow snow.
Yeah. Thanks, man. I appreciate that.
right, boys, we're pulling out. Here comes the train.